This month I cut my hair according to the lunar calendar at the full moon, and that was a lengthening day. So that day when I did wash my hair after I cut it, I used the Lengthening Pine Shale Shampoo. Two new products I have used this month and have had some good luck with are the Pitta Elixir and the 24/7 Styling Dragon Pomade. What I really liked about that particular pomade is that I knew what every single product in the ingredient list was. That was a real plus for me. And I used some blood of the dragon styling gel. I put the blood of the dragon styling gel on after I put on the pomade, and I scrunched it and I squished it in while it was wet, and then I plopped it to dry it in a microfiber towel. One thing the pomade did do for me was keep the static down in my hair as I brushed it each day. Let me tell you about the elixir that Morrocco Method was nice enough to send me. It is the Pitta Elixir. And the first thing is that it smells so good. I know it's the oils that are in there, and it just smells really good. So what I did for that was, according to the directions, I massaged it into my scalp, especially on the areas where my hair is thinning a little. That's this little area here, and it's actually getting to look a little bit better. There's those little baby hairs that were baby before, they're getting longer. So I did that. The recommendation is that you do that for 7 nights and then wash your hair after. And I feel like if I keep using that, it will continue to improve. I do see some benefits in my hair overall. I really like the Euro oil too. That really is liquid gold. Not only do I use it on my scalp to oil my hair, I use it on my face at night, just in place of my moisturizer. I really like the feel of it. I had decided when I started this that I would cut my hair on the full moon each month, or on the solstice or equinox if it occurred that month. So I have done that for several months now. And so I've actually been through several different focus areas. I did strengthening and I did beautifying, and this time I did lengthening, and so I used the Pine Shale Shampoo after I cut my hair and styled it, and I feel like it's looking great. The most unexpected thing that I have noticed is that it's a comfort for it to be on my shoulders. That's probably kind of strange to hear, but that's unusual for me. I don't know if you watched the beginning video, but I said that I wanted to make peace with my hair, and I mean I feel like that is peace with my hair if I am comforted by having my hair on my shoulders. It feels good, and that is something that is just really eye-opening and exciting for me, because I've never really felt that way. Overall, I feel like it is much healthier, and I'm much happier with it. I'm not fighting with it. I am enjoying it. It's getting longer, which is nice, and I am really enjoying putting the brushing and the scalp massaging into my routine. I think that is my favorite thing of this whole process. So going forward, I am going to continue to keep building those habits into my routine. I'm going to see if I can do the mask at least once a week as suggested. I think I'm going to keep using that elixir. I do think that that's helping, and I really do like it, even if it's just for the smell. I really love the smell. And then I'm going to continue doing the brushing and the scalp massaging twice a day, as I have been doing. I really, again, appreciate Morrocco Method allowing me to tell everyone about their products and for me to use them and really get a chance to see how they all work on my hair.